The first conditional. The first conditional is used to talk about possibilities in the future. It is also used to mention real or very probable situations in the future. And finally, it is also used to talk about possible plans, promises, warnings, threats, or for persuading someone. When we talk about conditionals, they will always have two important parts. Part number one is a condition that is going to be conjugated in simple present. And part number two is the result, the consequence. And this consequence is going to be conjugated in future simple using will. It is important to remember that the condition can be also be called the if clause, and the result can also receive the name of the main clause. When we normally have a sentence in the first conditional, we will always have the if word, the condition in simple present, a comma, and after the result in simple future. It is also important that we remember that when we talk about simple present, it is necessary to conjugate the verb when we talk about affirmative cases. Please remember, for the third person singular, you will add s or es or ies to the verb. For example, Pedro goes. Caroline watches. Marcella laughs. The baby cries. These changes on the verb are very important. In the case we are talking about a negative sentence, remember we use the auxiliary don't or doesn't. Because of the presence of the auxiliary, the verb is going to be normal. For instance, Caroline doesn't like. The baby doesn't cry. I don't understand. When we want to write a sentence using first conditional, we will have two possibilities. Possibility number one is that we use first the condition, a comma, and after we write the result. For example, if it rains tomorrow, comma, we will stay at home. Possibility number two is that we put first the result and after the condition. In this case, it is not necessary to use a comma. For example, we will stay home if it rains tomorrow. And finally, we will have some examples related to first conditional. Number one, if it rains, I will stay at home. Number two, if I wake up late, I will miss the bus. Number three, and if it is sunny, we'll go to the park. Number 4. If Juan leaves, Paula will be sad. Number 5. If I find your email, I will send you the picture. And number 6. If you study hard, you will pass your exams.